Hello my friends, Faye is here. $6,666 in a few hours. I managed to get such a profit using the Fibonacci grid. Watch this video till the end and you'll be able to use this strategy right away. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to the Telegram channel, where my subscribers earn $2,000 per week with my signals. Check out the feedback from those who already joined our Telegram channel and make consistent profits. Head to the description and start earning today. The Fibonacci tool determines the depth of price correction. There is a pattern. After any rise or fall, the price rolls back to certain values. The values are always equal. Now let me explain how we use it. Pay close attention. There are two areas known as the discount zone and the premium zone. We use the premium zone for selling and the discount zone for buying. Let's start with the discount zone. We use this zone when we want to buy. You see the growth here. It's easy to apply the Fibonacci grid to it. We stretch the grid from the beginning of the rise to its completion. Here it says 0.5. As you already understood, this represents the midpoint of the impulse. For buying, we always wait for the price to go below 0.5. This is the discount zone. It's all very clear, as you see. For selling, the situation is reversed. We look for a correction above 0.5. The significant advantage is that by waiting for the price to reach the discount zone or premium area, we increase the likelihood of success. Another crucial point is to trade in the line with the trend. For example, if you have a price rise in the front of you and you apply the Fibonacci grid, don't immediately open a trade in the premium zone. Instead, trade in line with the trend. There is also an OTE area or optimal trade entry, the best place to enter a trade with Fibonacci grid. It is below 0.5 if we are looking for long and above 0.5 if we are looking for short. Here is the area from 0.62 to 0.75, the optimal area for entry. Let's move on to an example using the Solana coin. Here we have an upward movement. I applied the Fibonacci grid from the start of the movement to its end. After the price goes below 0.5, the upward movement continues. The situation is similar for short. Let's have a look at the structure. We see how the price is adjusted and rolled back by Fibonacci grid. That is, here is a downward movement from top to bottom. I apply the Fibonacci grid from top to bottom. The price will reach the OTE area, after which it goes down until this low is updated. Once the low is updated, we simply transfer the grid to a new structural element, right here. Here, you can see that the price also touches the OTE and goes down. And it is very important to use this with the areas of interest, with order blocks and an imbalance, which I explained in previous videos. For instance, here we have a test of an order block. I apply the Fibonacci grid. This is where we can enter a short trade. The stop loss can be placed above this high, and the take profit can be set at the nearest low. Let's take a look at this movement. You can see that the price started its further upward movement after testing the order block. It is always important to have a support or resistance area in the premium, discount, or OTE zone. After that, I apply the Fibonacci grid again from bottom to top. The price touches the ETE zone, tests the imbalance, and continues its upward movement. This high is the liquidity pole. That's exactly how it works. If you overlay the Fibonacci grid on all movements in the chart, the best entry points are usually during a pullback into the OTE zone. For instance, here is a structural upward movement. I applied the grid and noticed that after testing the ETE zone, the price continues to rise. We do the same with each wave. For example, here, I apply the Fibonacci grid to the upward movement and wait for a correction below 0.5. The price touched the zone and then went up. There is also an imbalance here. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. Although the reaction has not occurred yet, the price is already below the OTE zone. Therefore, I expect it to go up from this area of interest. The area is right here. Now we have the DYDX coin chart on the 2-hour time frame. Here we can see the imbalance in liquidity pool. As seen on the 30-minute time frame, after the price withdrew the liquidity from this pool, tested the imbalance, and then went down, a structural break occurred. Based on this, I decided to open a short position as I expected a downward movement. To open the short position, I apply the Fibonacci grid from the top to the end of the movement. Here, we have a descending movement, and the imbalance is right in the OTE zone at the 0.705 level. I set the limit order just slightly below 0.705 and place the stop loss behind the 3-candle imbalance formation. For the take profit level, I choose this liquidity pool. The risk to reward ratio is set at 1:3. In order to make your dream about a vacation on the Maldives, Dubai, or wherever you desire come true, I send out our signals to my Telegram channel. All subscribers there earn together with me. Now I'm going to the exchange. I choose isolated margin with a 20x leverage. I set the order price at 2.241. Take profit at 2.081 and stop loss at 2.289. Great! While the trade is active, I'm heading to the restaurant. I don't know how the trade is going, but the restaurant was more than luxurious. I love trying all the cuisines of the world, but Italian is beyond competition for me. What happened on the chart? By the way, you can see how the OTE zone and the imbalance work here. The price tests the 0.5 imbalance, takes the limit order, and then you can see what happens on the chart. The profit was $6,666. What a number, isn't it? But the strategy works, and that's what matters most. My Faye, as you can see, there is nothing complicated about my strategy. You'll need to put in a little effort to study the theory and spend some more time analyzing the situation on the chart for a successful trade, but we can significantly simplify it all. It was not only me, but also my Telegram channel subscribers who made a profit on a trade that you've just seen. Before opening a trade, I always send a signal to my group. The link can be found in the description. My subscribers are already earning over $2,000 per week. My team and I analyze the situation, calculate risks, and determine entry points. After that, I send the signal to the Telegram channel, and people using our findings make profits without wasting extra time. Here are the reviews from satisfied subscribers who have taken their profits from this trade. Do you want to have a stable income? Then hurry up and follow the link to my Telegram channel and become part of the community of successful traders. If such a channel existed when I started my trading career, I would have achieved significant results much faster. In my channel, I not only provide signals but also give advice on financial literacy, share various strategies, and keep my subscribers informed about important news affecting the trading world. I put a lot of effort into making the subscribers wealthy every day. It's time to become the part of the community and move forward. My Faye, I hope you remember that one of the key secrets to success is a sensible approach to risk. Think critically and analyze the situation. I'm sure that this video was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss new videos that will turn you from a beginner trader into an expert in this field, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will definitely respond to each one. This was Faye. See you in the next videos.